Are you tired of going to the gym or struggling to find time for your workout routine? Look no further. The Innocedear Home Gym Kit is the perfect solution for your fitness needs. Welcome back to Casual Fitness Seekers, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Innocedear Home Gym Bar Kit with resistance bands. It's a portable gym system that allows you to get a full body workout from the comfort of your home. One of the standout features of the Innocedear Home Gym Bar Kit is the portability. Unlike traditional home gym equipment that takes up a lot of space, this compact kit can be easily set up and stored away when not in use. This makes it perfect for individuals with limited space and those who love to work out while traveling. The bar is made from steel and can be broken down into 3 sections. However, when fully assembled, has a length of 47 inches. The kit comes with 6 resistant bands made from a durable, reinforced, anti-break elastic latex. Each band can provide up to 30 pounds of resistance. The kit also includes 2-foot ring straps, 2 ankle straps, 2 handles, 2 door anchors, and a guidebook. The Innocedear Home Gym Bar Kit is designed to provide you with a comprehensive workout experience with its versatile bar system and resistance bands. This portable gym kit offers a wide range of exercises that target every major muscle group. Whether you're looking to tone your arms, sculpt your abs, or strengthen your legs, this gym kit has got you covered. I must say this, even though there are tons of similar products, and I think it just comes down to personal preference, which one works for you. But for myself, after looking at the Innocedear versus its competitors, it was not the cost that made up my mind, it was the bands being made from a reinforced anti-break material instead of cheaper tube or band attachments. We had the opportunity to let a few fitness enthusiasts try out our Innocedear Home Gym, and this is what their thoughts were.
It's a little light. If you were doing that from, you know what I'm saying, put it on your back, you might want to use those 90s, all 3 of them. Yeah. I feel like it's working my shoulders pretty good. I like them. Definitely like them. I'm not even a band kind of person though. I like these.
Feels good. It feels okay.
Yeah, it's 60 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, so we're right in the camera, so what you think of it?
I like it. It's pretty good. It's fine.
Yeah, so what do you feel with it?
I feel like it's tough, but it's hard to get things going.
Ooh, yeah, that's a bicep curl for sure. Woo, child. That works your entire body. How was it?
Yeah.
It was a full body workout. I mean, I worked my arms, my core, my legs, my glutes, and it was challenging. It was very easy to use, very easy to put together.
Not too bad. So the only thing is I'd like to have more tension like going down, because like right here it's kind of loose unless there's some way to adjust it at the bottom, like where you put your feet. Then otherwise, like, because you start the tension right here, but you know, like sometimes with the weight you actually feel it all the way down. But otherwise, the resistance pretty good, the tension not bad. Yeah, you feel it a lot. I feel like a few of these you already toasted.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is good. So I'd say like the bands and the grips, you can definitely get like more for your buck, in the sense that like where you're pulling, it's just like fitted perfectly for a person. Whereas like the bar, I felt it doesn't necessarily feel like the same as if when you're lifting a weight, because you can only go down so much where you lose that tension. Whereas like with these ones, you feel the tension with the bands and the grips right when you're using it right away.
Final thoughts, the Innocedear Home Gym Bar Kit with resistance bands is a game changer, along with similar competitor products when it comes to home workouts. Its versatility, portability, and ability to provide a full body workout for me makes it a great addition for any fitness enthusiast of all levels. Now this has been our Innocedear Home Gym Bar with resistance bands product review. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below. Or you can reach out to us on one of our social media platforms that's on Instagram and Facebook. If you would like to support our channel, you can do so by picking up some of our merch on casualfitnessseekers.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It should be floating around about right here so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. So until next time, Casual Fitness Seekers out.